to start every session we do with a sort of a ritual. And the ritual is for me to harmonize a scale with you, so
Okay.
you can hear how the pitches of the notes in the scale need to relate to each other. It's like the magnet with the iron filings that you sprinkle,
Right.
and they go into lines of force.
Right.
So the magnet is, let's say it's D major. D major is the magnet. And we put this sheet over, and then we sprinkle notes on
Okay.
top of the sheet.
Right.
And they all take up certain positions relative to the magnet. So how about concert D major for the heck of it? And I'm just going to play chords with you. And at this stage of the game, all you have to do is hear the piano. You don't even have to make adjustments in the pitch. Play soft enough that you can hear my chord louder than yours. So I want to do one of those each time with you, and
Okay.
you just instinctively make adjustments. It all started happening after you decided to let the piano be louder than the horn. The piano was the greater entity,
Yeah.
and the horn was just one of the filings
Mhm.
that was sprinkled
Yeah.
on top of the piano.
Yeah, I can change my pitch, but you can't.
But the interesting thing is you get more power and beauty out of your sound when you're just a part rather than a whole,
Right.
which
Yeah.
is ironic. But and
Makes
now,
sense for me.
all right, let's take this D, and this is the other thing we did the last time, which is I just keep arpeggiating different chords. So I'm going to start out in a D major. So now you're the root of the chord. Hear the piano more than the horn. Perfect. I wanted to take you into one tone of embellishment where you weren't playing a root or a third
Right.
or a fifth or a seventh, but you in that case playing either an anticipation of something to come or an appoggiatura that never got resolved or something. So you have that in your ear. We just want to encourage those.
Right.